Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's recipe is goan special, which is known as beef pattices or beef puffs. Beef pattices are simply made of fellow pastries or puff pastries, which are simply filled in with ground beef with the choice of your spices and vegetables. Today I'm gonna show you the simplest method, that is using puff pastry. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Cook and set aside the minced beef as mentioned in the description. Once the minced beef is completely cooled down, we can start using it to fill in the puff pastries. Before cutting the puff pastries, let's set the oven to preheat for about 15 minutes at 200 degrees. I have used the puff pastry that says light and flaky. You just need one sheet which needs to be defrosted for about 15 minutes. Cut the puff pastry in the desired shapes. I have cut the pastries in square shape, but you can cut it the way you want your beef puffs to look like. Flip over the puff pastries onto the other side, and by taking in 1 teaspoon of the minced beef, add it in the center of the puff pastry and tightly secure it using your fingertips and set aside. Continue the same process until all of the pastry sheets are filled in with the minced beef. Once all of the pastry sheets are filled in, transfer them into the baking tray along with the parchment paper. Spray some oil onto the parchment paper. one medium egg and simply beat it using a fork. Apply the egg wash. Now transfer the puff pastries into the oven and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. After 25 minutes, check the puff pastries. They should have a nice and crisp golden brown color. The puffs should double the size of the pastry. Take them out of the oven and let them cool down before serving. There you go, our delicious and crispy beef pattices are ready to be served. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more upcoming recipes.